Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're working on the correct clip and that pressure is relieved. This prevents sudden releases. You position the part so you can see both ends of the clip, then use a small flat screwdriver to nudge any dirt away. Once done, clamp one side gently with needle nose pliers to prevent rotation. You hold steady. This control is why you avoid brute force. If it's under tension, slightly compress or support the component so the clip can disengage safely. Now you focus on the middle steps. Direct one tool to the clip gap and stabilize the opposite side with pliers so forces cancel out. You gently compress or rotate the ring toward its open gap while levering the lip with a pick. This reduces radial stress and prevents damage. Once the lip clears the groove, guide the clip outward slowly, catching it with a magnet or pad to avoid it springing away. Make small, deliberate motions so the retaining surface. To finish, you clean the groove and check both clip and shaft for wear. A deformed clip must be replaced. Reinstall by aligning the open gap with the groove and press evenly until it seats. You should hear or feel a snap. If the clip resists, stop and apply a small amount of penetrating oil. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry. This softens corrosion and reduces binding. If it still won't move, consider heat or a specialist to avoid breaking the part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.